Welcome. What a day. What a bloody brilliant day in the kitchen. Today, we're diving headfirst into a Korean street food sensation. A dish that'll awaken your taste buds and slap a smile on your face. Tteokbokki. Forget your sad takeaways. Because we're going to create a symphony of spicy, sweet, and chewy perfection right here, right now. This isn't just rice cakes. This is an explosion of flavor. A culinary masterpiece that demands respect and a bloody good appetite. Get ready to taste Korea. Right, let's get down to business with the absolute stars of our tteokbokki show. First, we need 500 grams of fresh Korean rice cakes. The chewy kind, soak 'em if they're a bit stiff. You want that lovely bounce. Then, for that incredible depth of flavor, we need 1 large onion, roughly chopped, 2 spring onions for a vibrant finish, and 2 cups of good quality anchovy broth. Don't even think about using plain water. You'll regret it. And for the spice, 3 tablespoons of gochujang and 1 tablespoon of gochugaru. Because we're making tteokbokki, not a bloody bland rice pudding. A touch of sugar, soy sauce, and a dash of fish cakes too, for that authentic street food vibe. Alright, precision is key, even with street food, so listen up. First, those glorious rice cakes. If they're frozen or a bit hard, give them a quick soak in warm water for about 10 minutes. We want them tender, not brick-like. Do you understand? Next, the onion. A nice, rustic chop, not too fine. We want it to hold its texture and contribute to the sauce. Spring onions? Slice them diagonally, both the white and green parts, for visual appeal and a fresh bite. And the fish cakes, if you're using them, cut them into lovely triangles or rectangles. Bite-sized pieces that will absorb all that incredible spicy sauce. Don't be lazy. Make it beautiful. Right. Pan on. Medium-high heat. No mucking around. A glug of neutral oil. Just a touch. You don't want to deep fry anything. Just get that beautiful pan screaming hot. Now, into the pan go those glorious chopped onions. We're not caramelizing them. No, no, no. We're just sautéing them until they start to soften and become translucent. About 2 to 3 minutes. You want to coax out their sweetness, their foundational flavor, without any harsh raw notes. Keep them moving. Don't let them burn. Otherwise, you'll have bitter tteokbokki. And trust me, nobody wants that. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of flavor developing. Now, this is where the magic truly begins. Once those onions are glistening and sweet, pour in that incredible anchovy broth, 2 full cups. Remember, flavor first. Bring it to a rolling boil, because we need to get that broth working for us. Then, in go the stars. Those wonderful, prepped rice cakes, along with the fish cakes if you're using them. Stir them gently. Make sure every piece is submerged in that beautiful, fragrant liquid. The rice cakes will start to plump up and soften, absorbing all that glorious broth, transforming from simple ingredients into the chewy, flavorful backbone of our dish. Keep an eye on the consistency. We're building layers of taste here. Don't rush it. Right, let's talk about the heart and soul of this dish. The sauce. This isn't just about heat. It's about balance. Into that simmering pot, add a generous 3 tablespoons of gochujang. That's your foundation, your spicy depth. Then, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru for that vibrant red hue and an extra kick. Because we're not shy. Now, for balance, a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for umami, and a cheeky drizzle of sesame oil right at the end for aroma. Stir it all in.